Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you've probably heard about USDT, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transactions. Today, we're breaking down how to send USDT via email on Binance, a feature that's become even more user-friendly with the latest updates. This method is perfect for quick, secure transfers without the hassle of wallet addresses. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up. If you don't, head over to the Binance website or app and create one. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section. This is where all your assets are managed, so look for the Assets or Wallet tab at the top of the dashboard. Next, select USDT from your list of holdings. Binance makes it easy to spot with its intuitive interface. Now, here's the cool part. In 2025, Binance has rolled out an email-based send feature for added convenience. Click on the Send or Transfer option, and you'll see a new choice for Send via email. Enter the recipient's email address carefully, double-check to avoid any mistakes. You'll also need to specify the amount of USDT you want to send and add a memo if required, which helps with tracking. Before you hit Confirm, review everything: the amount, the email, and any fees involved. Binance might charge a small network fee, so keep that in mind. Once you're ready, authenticate the transaction with your two-factor setup for security. It's a must in the crypto world. After sending, you'll get a confirmation email, and the recipient will receive instructions to claim the USDT in their Binance account or linked wallet. And there you have it. Sending USDT via email on Binance is that simple. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable all protective features. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.